Let's start today's sentences. Call me, miss your voice, just one call. You there? Can I call now? Please listen once. Don't ignore my words. I just need a little time. Reply when you are free. Let's fix this together. Dinner is ready. Come soon. I made your favorite dish. Let's try to repeat these sentences. Sit, I will serve you. Tell me how it tastes. Made with lots of love. I wish this moment could last a little longer. Saying goodbye is not easy for me. You will always have a place in my heart. Take care of yourself more than you did for me. If destiny allows, we will meet again. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.